Alright, now we're going to be checking out this unnamed car wash here on the north side of Garland, south side of Richardson, the next turn. Oh shoot, it's out of order, I think.
Out of order?
Yeah.
Rip. Okay. Do you want to, like no. I don't know if you want to get out and look at
Or yeah, go park in the manual bay, then I'll walk through the bay. Walk through the...
Okay. Here.
Another old abandoned water wizard. He's flaking off a lot. Look at that. Jim Coleman Company. It's the old original name. Look at that. It's dry as a bone in here, pretty much. No dryers here either. Here's your floor switch and your drain. And all your cables and stuff. Water wizard. Here's your old signage too. So yep. Another old rotting water wizard. Shame because it's got a neat graphics package. Looks like it's been sitting like this for quite a while now, so yep. Get me a still here. Yeah, well, that's that.